One really important thing you should know when it comes to burn injury cases is that insurance companies and other lawyers tend to undervalue these types of cases. Medical bills for burns are usually not that high. We understand that it is not just the physical damage from the burn that will affect you while you're struggling with it during your treatment and afterwards, but it's the emotional damage, the anxiety, the depression that you can experience as the result of a burn. Many victims of burn injuries experience PTSD, anxiety, depression, the pain and suffering of not feeling like you can go outside or be around your friends and family members because you look different than you did before. All of these things are much more important in burn cases than the medical bills. Burns can happen in a number of different ways. Burns don't just happen from fire, from heat. There are electrical burns, there are friction burns, radiation burns. They can happen from chemicals. For example, there was a woman one time who was visiting a family member in the hospital. The hospital administrators told her to go down a particular hallway to get out of the hospital. She walked down that hallway, slipped on a slick surface on the floor, and fell. Days later, she started developing a burn. She was placed in the burn unit of the hospital for 6 weeks, and she had to have multiple skin grafts, including a skin graft from a cadaver, as a result of falling on a chemical that burned her skin. The insurance company might be pressuring you to sign a document for a small settlement that will not fully and fairly compensate you for what you've been through and what you could go through in the future. It's our job to fight the insurance companies. That's all we do. That's what we do every single day. Don't sign away your rights without knowing what is full compensation in your case. We will be honest with you and we'll tell you if you don't have a case, but it's worth just picking up the phone and calling us to find out. We are also experienced in dealing with these types of cases. We know the right experts to hire. We know how to present these cases in front of a jury, and we will do everything in our power to get the maximum compensation that a burn victim deserves.